This 2027 Jayco J Feather 29QBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 36 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 11 and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Jayco J Feather 29QBH is 7,530 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.